In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GitHub to FlutterFlow. This process will allow you to seamlessly integrate your Flutter code with GitHub, facilitating better version control and collaboration on your Flutter projects. Let's get started by creating a GitHub repository. First, head over to GitHub and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on the New Repository button. Here, you'll need to enter a name for your repository. Make sure it's something descriptive that will help you easily identify its purpose later. Next, decide if you would like this repository to be public or private. A public repository is visible to everyone, whereas a private one is only accessible to you and the collaborators you invite. After you've made your selections, hit the Create Repository button to finalize this step. Now let's move on to your FlutterFlow project. Log into your FlutterFlow account and open the specific project you want to connect with GitHub. Once you have your project ready in front of you, we'll dive into integrating GitHub. Within FlutterFlow, locate the Settings and Integrations section from the menu. Once you're there, find and select the GitHub option. It's time to connect your GitHub account, so click on Connect GitHub Account. You'll need to authorize FlutterFlow to access your GitHub account, which means granting permission for FlutterFlow to interact with your repositories. Choose wisely when selecting either your personal GitHub account or an organization you are a part of. This step ensures that the right permissions are in place for the project to link correctly. With that set up, let's link your repository. Go back to the GitHub integration page in FlutterFlow. You'll see two main options, either to create a new repository directly from FlutterFlow or to connect to an existing one. If you're creating a new repository, FlutterFlow will handle some of the initial setup for you. If you're linking an existing repository, select the specific one you want to use. Once the repository is chosen, specify the default branch. This is typically the main branch, but make sure it aligns with your workflow. Finally, save your configuration settings to ensure everything is properly set up. You're now ready to push code to GitHub. In FlutterFlow, find and open the GitHub panel, where you can add a commit message. This message should describe the changes you're making so that it's clear to anyone else viewing it. Hit Commit and Push, and FlutterFlow will automatically generate the Flutter code and push it directly to your GitHub repository. Our last step is to verify that everything is in order on GitHub. Open your GitHub repository through your browser and give the page a refresh. At this point, you'll see the Flutter code successfully stored, confirming that your integration between FlutterFlow and GitHub is complete. And there you have it. You've connected FlutterFlow with GitHub, empowering you with a powerful, version-controlled development setup. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and happy coding.